6 Hotel Yankee after Dodger to center maintain 2,600. Number 6 Hotel Yankee traffic 1 to 2 o'clock 5 miles northwestbound indicating 1,100 type unknown. Number 6 Hotel Yankee speed your discretion turn right heading 160. 6 Hotel Yankee to VFR traffic no factor. Number 6 Hotel Yankee turn right heading 225 5 miles from Jetson maintain 2,400 till establishment on localizer cleared ILS right 24 right approach. Hotel Yankee contact Los Angeles Tower 120.905 good day.
Who's that calling? Last calling. My frequency and error advise you return to your left side.
Stop by departure, Volaris 921, down, leaving 2,000 for 5,000, heading 210.
North 921 to departure, ready contact, limit 17,000, proceed direct to PV.
17,000 direct PV, Volaris 921.
Tennessee 5156 Heavy, SoCal approach, good morning, information, Alpha current, Los Angeles altimeter, 3015, expect the ILS runway 24 right approach. Tennessee 5156 Heavy, descend via the arrival. On cargo 110 Heavy, SoCal approach, information, Alpha current, Los Angeles altimeter, 3015, expect the ILS runway 24 right approach. On cargo 110 Heavy, it is closed for another 15 minutes. Do you need 24 left? Or can you take 24 right? On cargo 110 Heavy, roger, descend via the arrival.
Sir, morning, Air China Bridge 1060 airborne, passing 1,700, climbing 5,000.
China Bridge 1060 Heavy, so departure to contact, climb via SID.
Climb via the SID, Air China Bridge 1060.
China Bridge 1060 Heavy, Connecticut Center 119.05.
1060, baby.
Deep to C-156 Heavy after Dodger, descend and maintain 2,600. C-5156 Heavy, fly present heading. Cargo 110 Heavy, runway 24 left is open now. You can expect ILS runway 24 left approach. C-5156 Heavy, turn right heading 160. On cargo 110 Heavy after Dodger, descend and maintain 2,600. 5156 Heavy, turn right heading 225, 5 miles from Jetson, maintain 2,400 till establishment on localizer, cleared ILS runway 24 right approach. 5156 Heavy, runway 24 right. C5156 Heavy, contact Los Angeles Tower 120.905, good day.
Local departure, Master 623 Heavy, good morning, climbing 2,004, 5,000.
Master 6823 Heavy, so departure to contact, climb 17,000, turn left direct TV.
Climate 17,000, direct PB, Master 63 Heavy.
On cargo 110 Heavy, turn right heading 225, 5 miles from Sudi, maintain 2,400 till establishment on localizer, cleared ILS runway 24 left approach. On cargo 110 Heavy, contact Los Angeles Tower 120.905, good day.
6823 Heavy, Connecticut Center 119.905.
Heavy, good morning.
SoCal County 368 Heavy is 1,500 for 5,000 on the summer one.
On E368 Heavy, chicken on 124.3.
Oh, that would help. County 368 Heavy is 2,000 for 5,000 summer one.
County 368 Heavy, so departure to contact, climb via SID.
Okay, climb via the SID, County 368 Heavy. And confirm County 368 Heavy, climb via the SID.
Yes, sir, climb via SID 230.
Climb via the SID 230, County 368 Heavy.
368 Heavy, Connecticut Center 119.05.
368 Heavy.
1876 Heavy, SoCal approach, charge, standby 1. X1876 Heavy, just verify you're on the Ironman 1 arrival. X1876 Heavy, I was asking if you were on it. I'm going to assume because you said that you are. I just want to double check. FedEx 1876 Heavy, thank you. And you can go ahead, as you said, descend via the Ironman 1 arrival as published and expect the ILS runway 24 right approach. FedEx 1876 Heavy after Dodger, descend and maintain 2,600, speed your discretion.
Departure, Legacy 226 Hotel Yankee out at 2 for 3,000.
26 Hotel Yankee, so departure to contact, climb 5,000. Hotel Yankee, flighting 310.
310, 607.
Hotel Yankee, Connecticut approach 128.75.
2075.
X1876 Heavy, turn right heading 160. FedEx 1876 Heavy, turn right heading 225.